doing a vlog here at Koolewong, Koolewong Part 2. We have an Oscar departing for a Wyong service, H8 and H28. And I'm joined here by GTV Glenn's transport vlogs. So here's the view of the platform facing towards Sydney.
Here's a view facing towards Sydney Terminal.
And this way is facing towards Newcastle Interchange. We have an Oscar passing Central Sydney Terminal service. H15 leading. Trailing set is H19. Next station will be Woi Woi. We have 6042. G534 leading a freight train. Oscar passing platform 2, Newcastle Interchange service. H4 leading. H1 trailing. Next station will be Gosford. We have an Oscar arrival onto platform 1 for a Central Sydney Terminal service. H18 is the set. Oscar said H18 now departing. What the hell? Oscar said H18 now departing Central Sydney Terminal service. Next station will be Woi Woi, then Wondabyne, Hawkesbury River, Cowan, Brower, Hornsby, Epping, Strathfield, then Central Sydney Terminal. Yeah, the guard. What the heck is Glenn doing? You have the Armadale Maury Explorer passing. We have an Oscar arriving onto platform 2 for a Wyong service. The set is H2. Oscar set H2 is now departing for a Wyong service. Next station will be Tascott, followed by Point Clare, Gosford, Narara, Niagara Park, Bizarro, Ourimbah, Tuggerah, then Wyong. We have an Oscar passing platform number 1, Central Sydney Terminal service. H7 leading.
H25 is the
Reha, H25. A new member of the group, Western Line Transport Vlogs. We should have 40... Sorry, we have a freight train. NR118. Damn it, thought that was the carrot and spud. We have an Oscar passing, platform number 2. Newcastle interchange service. Oh, that was loud. The set is H27. We should have a Central Sydney terminal service driving onto platform number 1. H28 leading. After Koolewong, this train will stop at Woiwoi, followed by Wondabyne, Hawkesbury River, Koolewong, Brower, Hornsby, Epping, Strathfield, then Central Sydney Terminal. Central Sydney Terminal service, now departing, platform number 1. Next station will be Woiwoi, followed by Wondabyne. H8 refuel cars. Oh my goodness. Anyway guys, time for me to wrap up the vlog. Make sure you like, subscribe and feel free to request a station for me to film at. Thank you all for watching and I will see you all next time.